Here is my fully installed 1988 American Standard Comfort Height Cadet. It says 85, but it's actually 88. Ask the Toilet Frenzy. It's using a Gothic logo handle and tilt valve, not what it's meant for. But, oh well. It's cool to see it like this. This did come with the original handle, but I cannot be bothered to put it on here because it won't work with the tilt valve. The tilt valve gives it a way better flush. It's using a commercial seat. Yes, it is comfort height. Super nice and everything. So let's see the flush. Awesome toilet. Thank you guys for watching.